Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control inputs with data validation. Let's get started. Here, we've got some data about programs and our funding is tied to this data. We've got kids' names, ages, number of days they were absent. We know we only deal with kids from 8 to 12, so we should not have A4 or A16 or AM in this cell. So let's look at this. Alan's age. So I go to type a 9 for Alan, but I accidentally hit O. Excel should not take that, so let's delete that. Now I'm going to highlight the entire column. In the Data tab in the ribbon, Data Tools, Data Validation, Allow Any Value. No, that gets the forensic accounts to show up. Hit the drop-down list, select whole number, between, minimum 8, and maximum 12. We can put an error alert if somebody puts in the wrong detail. We're going to have the message, you know better than that. Now, Alan, I accidentally type O. Enter. You know better than that. Cancel. So now, Alan is 12 years old. Great, it took the 12. With data validation, you can control a lot. So go in there and check it out. You can control dates, you can control certain text, you can control whether something is an integer or a decimal. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more content like this.